All right, we are inside this 99 Monaco Executive. It's been very well maintained by the second owner. Has smaller bed converting lounge here, a J lounge, two-person dinette slash office table. It's got a 2-burner stove, no oven. Ample storage. Has the large 4-door Norcold fridge freezer with ice maker. It's a washer dryer combo. Has a pocket door here to separate the front half from the back. Large walk-in shower. Large his and hers closet. Divided. Has a walk-around queen-size bed, no bedroom slide-out. TV here has been removed. There's no pocket door here in the rear, only in the middle, where you could separate the front half from the back, but still have access to the restroom. This model has 3 air conditioning units. Foot 8-inch shower. As well as all the original owner's manuals and literature. And recent repair records totaling around $12,000. If you'd like to learn more about this RV, you can visit us at HughJassRV.com. That's Hugh Jass, Jass RV.com. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the exterior. We just put a couple of batteries in here, set of 4 6-volts. Have the generator out for inspection. It's got a huge 10,000 watt generator with 1,800 hours on it. Very reasonable for the year. Clear bra is showing some cracking that could be removed. There's a little bit of chalking from the roof after some recent rains. This has the very desirable aqua hot heating system. It's got relatively new tires, Toyos, a couple of years old. It's got the very desirable tag axle, allowing 10,000 pound tow rating. Has a full paint. It's not particularly sun faded. This vehicle has lived its life in California and Arizona. But as you can see, it's in fine condition. Again, if you'd like to learn more about this vehicle for sale, visit HughJassRV.com.